maybe we'll come out and have a cookout. Marshmallows, hot dogs, make some s'mores. I figure this wood right here would probably last us 30 minutes. A lot of this wood is just old, dead, dry wood, so it'll burn quickly. I need to find us some actual good, solid, hard wood that's cut for this, and maybe it'll last us a lot longer. Of course, Mr. Bill and Little Puff think I come out here to talk to them. So I was using my red bucket and I swept up some leaves from here because we were going in and out of the cottage. Didn't want to pull them in there on our feet. And these two want me to go in there and make sure they got food. And I know they already have food. But anyway, I've got more leaves here and there. Leaves up here that I'm going to be cleaning up and putting over in the garden beds. And of course, they're going to follow me wherever I go because they think I'm out here to cater to them. You think I'm out here to cater to you? Is that what you both think? Huh? Is that what you both think? I came out here to talk about my garden, and you two just gotta harass me, get in my way, and bother me. The dog was up there making a mess. Alright, Little Puff is going to be under my feet the whole way. So, check this out. I don't know if you've seen this, but this right here, if you remember, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have a stack of them still in the box. So we're expanding our gardens. I do have some things growing out here. The ground's a little bit muddy here and there, so I gotta go around so I'm not stepping in mud. Still do have a few things growing. And Little Puff, I must step on you. And I've been filling in this one with the leaves, and some of those leaves that I told you I picked up, I went ahead and put in here. So I'm going to be adding more leaves, more kitchen scraps, more cardboard, anything that can be composted. Little Puff's got to be under my feet. Get me dirty. How about you get away? Damn it. Ah, love my cats. Love my cats. But anyway, we've had a couple of really cold days, and the wind's starting to blow, cutting right through me. But I've got I got plans for the gardens, so we're going to expand our garden. We put in 7 of the new raised beds, and I think we ordered, I don't know how many we ordered, but I'm thinking I've got 17 more to put out here. I'm thinking, I don't know, I had to go count them and see, but we're expanding our raised bed garden, and I'll be doing some more videos on these, and hopefully I'll be able to get some stuff growing. The kale didn't do very well. I do have a few little plants, odds and end plants in there that are just hanging in there, but for some reason the cold weather just didn't do, or the kale didn't do very well in the cold weather. And the turnips are putting up greens. They seem to be hanging in there. But I think when the weather churns and starts getting warmer, I think those turnip greens are going to come on and do wonderful. This wet cardboard is frozen. It's like a chunk of ice. I saw a buck out here this morning. Had a big rack of horns on him, and it was too far away for me to count them. A lot of people like to count the points on the horns, but me, I was just excited to see a big buck deer out here. And you know, I normally see the female deers and the offspring, but the bucks always tend to stay way back on the back side of the property, and they stay hidden. But anyway, I saw one this morning, and I really enjoyed seeing that. So anyway, I'm going to be doing follow-up videos on all of this, the progression of our composting, filling in the gardens with compostables, and the good dirt that we get and stuff like that. And I've got back here somewhere, I forget which, maybe down here along the fence line down there, I think there was a lot of good dirt that I think would go really well in this garden. I may not dig it out because I don't know. I might and I might not. Okay. Well, anyway, just figured I'd give y'all a little update on the garden. And I try to balance my time between my different hobbies, my different things that I do. But I'm thinking the gardens need to be kind of higher prioritized so that I can get them in and get them growing and feed the family. And out here, I got some fencing to work on. And once I get that fence all suitable, I'm going to get some sheep. And we're going to have sheep out here. And I'm going to let the sheep multiply and have a bunch of baby lambs and things like that, so that we can have a productive farm, I guess you can say, with our gardens and with the livestock that we decide to grow and raise. Gardens that we grow and livestock that we raise, and of course the deer and the turkey that come through. I fixed the fence, and the deer may not come through quite as much because they love going through the easily going through the fence. But we'll see. I mean, if I plant stuff back here that the deer like to eat, they'll find a way to get in. They'll jump the fence. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.